Did you know that bee pollen contains almost all the nutrients necessary for the development of the human body? Pollen has many incredible benefits for the body, from bones to nails. How should pollen be consumed? Which has many health benefits such as relieving inflammation, increasing liver health, strengthening the immune system and reducing stress. Who should be very careful while consuming? Let's examine together. You can subscribe to our channel for free without going to the advantages. We are here with a new informative video every day. What are the benefits of consuming 1 teaspoon of pollen? Regular consumption of pollen strengthens immunity. With its antibiotic feature, it helps the immune system to be purified from microbes. It makes the body very strong. It is a very powerful antioxidant with antibacterial properties. It helps the body fight against viral diseases by activating the immune system with its high amount of strengthening and protective compounds. Especially the interior contains phenolic compounds known for their anti-inflammatory effect. It softens the throat when mixed with honey and consumed. In addition, pollen contains a high percentage of water-soluble fiber. The soluble fibers it contains act as probiotic, feeding beneficial bacteria that are very important for intestinal tissue. In addition, the fatty acids in it improve digestive health and are good for problems such as bloating. On the other hand, bee pollen is good for anemia with its blood-forming effect. It helps to clean the blood in the body. It is also very rich in minerals such as magnesium, zinc, copper, iron and phosphorus. With its rich antioxidant content, it fights free radicals that damage blood vessels. In addition, pollen gives strength to the body. It gives resistance to fatigue, strengthens the muscle structure and increases physical performance. It delays the effects of aging with its antioxidant properties. Pollen contains powerful compounds such as calcium, zinc and vitamin derivatives, all of which aid bone health. Adequate calcium intake is important for maintaining healthy bones. Pollen contains vitamin derivative responsible for the production of serotonin. Serotonin elevates mood and reduces mental stress. It protects our nervous system, especially by reducing the release of the hormone cortisol, which is secreted during stress. The B vitamins in it are necessary for the formation of myelin, the nerve sheath that increases the effectiveness of brain signals and ensures the proper functioning of nerve tissue. In addition, components in pollen inhibit the growth of cancerous cells. With the help of antioxidant, it helps to quickly remove toxins from the body. Pollen is a high source of antioxidant. With its antioxidant feature, it protects the skin and contributes to the regeneration of cells. You will notice very quickly that your skin becomes healthier after regular consumption of pollen. So what should be considered when consuming bee pollen? Consuming too much pollen can cause digestive problems by staying in the digestive tract more than necessary, causing it to contain fiber. Also, if you are constantly taking medication, consult your doctor before adding powerful compounds such as pollen to your diet. So how much pollen should be consumed? Experts have determined the ideal consumption for 1 teaspoon of pollen 2 to 3 days a week. In the light of this information, you can add pollen to your diet and benefit from its long-term benefit.